Hi, third graders. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm expecting for the Little Pilgrim's Progress. So you should have this book that should have been sent home with you, and then you should have this piece of paper, this little packet here. My class has it in their binder in their reading section. I would assume that all the classes, both classes have it. Otherwise, there's clips somewhere in your stuff. So find that before you start. Okay, so I'm going to show you now what I'm expecting. The top is going to be your vocabulary and definitions. The next page is where you fill in the definitions for vocabulary. So if you'll see here, I'm going to show you, we're going to look up one of these just to show you. So for each one, I'm going to ask you to look in a thesaurus or a dictionary. And we're looking for synonyms. So I have a thesaurus here, and this is kind of a small thesaurus. And I've looked up a couple words, and it doesn't have all my words. And that's okay. If it doesn't have all your words, go back to this front page and look it up and go ahead and write it. But I would like you to find a synonym that you know the meaning of to write down for any of these words. So I looked up, one of the words is burden. So I went and looked up burden. Let's see if I can find it again. Here's burden. And it's a load or a weight or capacity, a worry, problem, or anxiety, or responsibility. So I'm going to use the word a weight because I know that is something heavy, and a burden would be heavy. So I'm going to write down here weight. Okay, so I want you to do that for all your words. For Thursday and Friday, I'm asking you to do chapters 1 through 4. Do this, maybe half of them on Thursday and the other half on Friday. If you want to do them all in one day, that's fine too. So I did want to cover, though, this is a thesaurus, and I don't know if we've used one very much, but a thesaurus is just another way of finding synonyms. And we know what synonyms are, and a lot of thesauruses will have antonyms as well. This one does not look like it has antonyms, but a lot of them will. And if your parents have a really good one, they'll have a lot more words than this one does. So I hope that you are able to do that. I am going to end this video now, but I'll show you when you go to the next page, the next section. Once you read The Pilgrim's Progress, the first 2 chapters, we are going to come back and work on this part together. Okay?